Do developers like stand-up meetings and the Slack notifications? Not always. Every morning, it's the same show. Someone updates, waiting on review #398. Somebody else reports, same as yesterday. And one developer wants to discuss it offline. 20 to 30 minutes of developer hours lost to meetings. Every day. Interruptions not just hurts productivity, but developer experience, code velocity, and cycle time as well. Of course, it hurts the revenue too. 30 minutes, 8 engineers, and 20 teams can cost about $2.64 million every year. Well, you can delight your developers by replacing stand-up meetings with a stand-up AI agent. Because here's the thing, every commit, every PR, every ticket action from every developer is already logged, time-stamped, and sitting in your tools. Your stand-up agent will read every dev tool and report every morning. Meet Sync, the engineering stand-up agent your team can build using Scalekit. This agent connects securely to every tool in your stack using Scalekit. GitHub, GitLab, Jira, Linear, Datadog, Sentry, whatever your team already uses. Ask Sync Agent to post today's stand-up for the engineering team, and it plans the job on your behalf across GitHub, GitLab, Jira, and Slack. Then the agent executes the plan, and every engineer gets their brief in their own Slack. 8 briefs in maybe 47 seconds? With Scalekit as the tool calling and auth layer, your agent is production ready from day 0. Delegated auth, scoped permission, a growing catalog of 500 plus connectors, and audit logs built natively into the platform. Your agent acts on behalf of your users, but your agent never gets to see your users' credentials. Ship agents to production. Scalekit is your tool calling and auth layer. Start at scalekit.com/use-case.